Okay, today you guys, we're going to be working on a PS3 fan, the removable kind, and the tools you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, 1/16, a Phillips screwdriver, 1/16, and a flathead, 3/8. So, for your convenience, I already did the liberty of breaking it apart. So what mine was doing, it was making some noises, clackling, clack, 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 clack. I was wondering, hey, what the hell is that noise? What is that noise? So I decided to open it up, and this is what we have here. Sorry about the camera here. So basically take those fans out after you take those screws, and it is about 7 screws that you have to take out. You might end up stripping a couple, but don't worry, because you can always replace those. Now here, this is my first fan. That thing is it's pretty much working. This one here, can you guys see it? Right there. That one is damaged, and it is very stiff. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove this one. See that there? We have 2 more blades broken, but that one isn't causing a noise. This one is causing a noise, and I kind of need at least something just to help cool my system down, because it does run quite a long time. So what I'm going to do, see that there? Even the housing is broken around it. So once I remove that one, that should be good. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove it. So you guys keep your eyes open while I start my process. Sorry, like I said, sorry. I don't have a third party holding my camera. I have to do it for myself. Everything is, So that first one came out. The fan should be movable now. Just do it off top, because yes, it is. So I have that. It's already broken. There we go. So I had unscrewed that. So see there, the whole housing here is damaged. So we're not going to use anything here. But on these 2 fans, we are going to try to possibly save this one. And we did a good job, because the parts from this one was flying into this one, causing this one to damage. So I'm just going to remove this. Just basically clip it and attach everything back together. And basically what I did was I removed the fan. I removed the whole housing. Right now we don't need it. And when we start our other one, we're going to use long screws. Don't worry about these existing holes right here. Don't worry. What I did do was I split the wires for the next fan, because eventually you're going to need another fan. And excuse me here. And she's pretty much